The weather's starting to warm up, and so is the stock market. Last month, we saw the S&P 500 index hit an all-time high, reaching 5,000 points for the first time ever. And to keep the good times rolling, we've got a handful of investing platform updates for you from the likes of Trading 212, Lightyear, Revolut, Wealthify, and Hargreaves Lansdown. Trading 212 keeps on improving its platform, and this month is introducing the world's first and only 24/5 trading with fractional shares. What is 24/5 trading? Well, it means you can trade US stocks around the clock from Monday to Friday. Trading 212 is rolling this feature out across all US stocks on the NASDAQ and New York stock exchanges, which is great news if you happen to get too caffeinated on a Tuesday afternoon and decide you want to make some investments through the night. Usually, if you set an order outside of market hours, it wouldn't get filled until the stock market opened again. But with this out-of-hours trading, investments are made by matching buyers and sellers through an electronic network instead of routing trades through a stock exchange. To access this feature, you need to have extended hours trading enabled, which you can turn on or off by toggling the button on the order review screen. The 24/5 trading will begin with a gradual rollout from the 16th of March. This new feature can be useful and provides more flexibility for when you buy and sell US stocks, but it also comes with some added risks. Firstly, there's lower liquidity levels, which just means fewer people trading, making it potentially more difficult to buy or sell shares. Second, out-of-hours trading is usually more volatile, meaning bigger and faster price swings. And finally, there can be wider spreads. This means possibly paying a premium to make a trade because of the lower liquidity and higher volatility. The first update from Lightyear is that it's unveiled its Web 2.0 desktop investing platform. It launched the first iteration of the web platform last April and is now ready to roll out the real deal. Lightyear's new desktop platform comes with all the same useful features from its mobile app, along with adding a new stock screening feature and public instrument pages. Public instruments pages may sound kind of boring, but it means that you'll be able to access all the details and analysis of stocks and funds on Lightyear, whether or not you're signed up to the platform. Lightyear's goal in doing this is to try and create more educated retail investors, which gets a pat on the back from us. The other smaller update from Lightyear is the addition of AMA Sports onto the platform. AMA Sports is a huge sports firm founded in Finland 74 years ago, which recently IPO'd on the New York Stock Exchange. In case you're not brushed up on your Finnish sports brands, this company owns the likes of Salomon and Wilson. Yes, the very same Wilson immortalized in the Tom Hanks film Castaway. Revolut's custody fees are no more. From the 1st of March, Revolut is no longer charging you to hold stocks and ETFs on the platform. Previously, there was an annual custody fee of 0.12%, charged monthly and based on the size of your portfolio. Getting rid of these fees helps make Revolut an even cheaper place to invest. Although not technically an investing update, Wealthify has introduced an instant access savings account. It's powered by Clearbank, currently offers a variable rate of 4.91% AER, and you can deposit as little as £1 to get started with no upper limit. You can deposit and withdraw as much as you want, whenever you want. So it could be a useful addition if you've got cash on the sidelines that you don't want to invest just yet, or if you're looking for a separate savings account for your cash savings. It's not often we get an update to the Hargreaves Lansdown platform, which is already well established with plenty of features. This month, however, Hargreaves Lansdown has introduced a ready-made pension plan for customers with a SIP. Self-invested personal pensions, or SIPs, can be used for greater control over your retirement portfolio. But instead of picking your own investments, this new product means you can get expert management that will aim to grow your pot while you're young and de-risk as you get older using two funds. In the growth stage, it will use the multi-index moderately adventurous fund, and then when you're within 8 years of your chosen retirement age, at least 55, it will gradually shift into the lower risk multi-index cautious fund. This product is most useful if you have a SIP but don't feel completely comfortable picking and managing your own portfolio. There's no upfront cost, just the standard 0.45% account fee and a 0.3% fund management charge. Each month, we'll be bringing you the latest updates on all your favorite trading apps. So make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell button so you don't miss out. To see our roundup of the best trading apps in the UK right now, visit finder.com by clicking here and following the link below. Thanks for watching, see you next month.